Hiya people, you join us on a very windy weekend and we're doing a bit of camping on the homestead. Hello Pooch. And that leaves me with the 9x9. Well, it's nice to be out that wind. Got myself a chair, we've got our cooking here, nice big table for all our bits and pieces later, and I will be sleeping in the hammock stand, which doubles as a storage area underneath. It's very handy. And I've had to hang one of these ammunition boxes on there to put some support weight on the tent on that side because it's really windy and it's been being blown around quite a lot, isn't it Poochie? So we're just going to get our last bits and pieces in for like food and all the rest of it, and I'll catch up with you in just a bit. I just wanted to demonstrate my sleeping system for tonight. I'm in the hammock stand, which I got from eBay a long time ago for about 30 quid. It means you can put a hammock up anywhere. And in there I have the Litchfield sleeping pad inside the 58 pattern bag, and that acts as an under blanket. You don't need all that under blanket. This gives you that nice thick layer. Nice pillow on the top there, and not forgetting my fluffy Russian hat that I sleep in. Keeps you nice and warm. And that's me. Nice and simple, nice and easy. And you get a good night's sleep in there as well. And we've got Prepper N here, who's going to explain her sleep system.
So, underneath me I've got a thermal roll mat. I have my Arctic sleeping bag. In it I have two heat hand warmers, one at the end, one in the middle. I've got a blanket on top of the hand warmer, and I have a pillow hidden in there. In this corner I have a DVD player and some CDs. I've got a light up here that's keeping me in out of shadows. Down there I've got my bags for the tent and for my sleeping bag, and that's about it.
Yeah, nice and easy. Cosy in there, yeah?
Yep, nice and warm.
Excellent. Stocking up on her snacks.
I've got a thermal of tea, biscuits, savoury snacks, sweet snacks. I've got a DVD loaded up in here.
Nice. You'll live.
I will live.
Say good night.
Good night.
And I too am just off to get my snacks as Prepper N zips herself in. See you in the morning, sweetie. Love you. Night. Well, I'm going to have my last cup of tea and a couple of biscuits as well. And Pooch has joined me. You after the biscuits? Is that what it is? She'll probably spend most of the night in here with me anyway. So. But there we go, nice and cosy. So I'm going to have a tea and biscuits as well. And we're going to the boot fair tomorrow, just to buy stuff. So I'm going to get an early night too. What about you, Pooch? What about you? Right, stay safe, stay prepped. I'll see you in the morning. Well, good morning to you. I slept for 9 hours straight, according to my watch. Oh, and I've got no backache, no problem, no nothing. Just a really nice sleep. As you can hear, the wind is still going, but I did not hear a thing. Woke up about 10 minutes ago, burst in for a wee, but otherwise I didn't hear a thing, so I must have needed the sleep. The 9x9 survived the night, and it's still here. But like I say, I didn't hear much of it anyway, because it's such a cosy sleep with the hammock stand, and the nice dark cozy tent. It's the middle of the day, but it's the camera's picking up a lot of light, but it's actually still quite dark in here. But yeah, a great night as usual. En is up already. I've called her, but she's already going and sorting out some breakfast and stuff. So another great night in the 9x9. I'm so glad I bought this tent. I paid 350 quid, 375 quid for it locally about, I don't know, 5-6 years ago. And it's a great tent just to pop up. And but the trouble is you want to end up leaving it up for a week or two, because it's such a big job to put it up and take it down and store it and all the rest of it. So it's nicer just to leave it here and use it when you need to. Anyway, enough of me. That was a night out in the 9x9, which for me is nothing unusual. You'll stay safe, you'll stay prepped.